Hello, you're welcome once again to my channel. Today we'll be talking about what you want in a relationship. The reason why I bring up this topic, what you want in a relationship, because I found that so many people don't know what they want in a relationship. They just start relationship randomly and start to complain on the kind of partner that they have, or the kind of partner they have met so far, because they have not sit back to actually know what they want in a relationship. Your first job before you start a relationship is to first of all sit back and ask yourself, what do I want from this relationship? Because if you want money or you want financial support, you must go to a person that can help you financially. Instead of you complaining all men are the same, just look for the type that fits your state of consciousness. So sit back to say, yes, I want this kind of person, so you go for that kind of person. So there is no need to go on complaining about this one is this one is that, because everybody match different people entirely. So once you sit back to say, yes, this is what I want in a relationship, then to figure these persons out will not be hard to see them. When you see them, it's easily for you to identify these persons, and it's easy for you to differentiate and know what you want. What you want in a relationship is a very big question that most people don't ask themselves before they start a relationship. And the other one is your character and your lifestyle. Your lifestyle and your character is supposed to match with what you want, because you cannot say this is what you want in a relationship and your character and your lifestyle speaks different thing entirely. If you want something, your character and your lifestyle is supposed to align together, so that once you see that particular thing, it will be easy for you to identify, and it will be easy for you to go into such a relationship. So your character matters a lot. If you want something, you also have to know that to get something, you have to give to get. That is how it works. That is how things work on earth here. You cannot just be in a relationship where the other person is always sacrificing his time, his money, his everything, but you just sit back to always collect. So before you want something, you must be able to know what to give to get what you want. If you have that in mind, you will find a suitable and reliable and at least a perfect relationship for you, for yourself. And also, how do you identify what you want? You can identify what you want when you yourself already know what you want. Then when you know what you want, then people around you or people you meet, it will be easy for you to say, yes, this person, I like this person because it meets with my own criteria. And when you want to set this kind of goal, set a goal that is realistic, something that is realistic. Why you need to set a goal that is realistic is because if you don't set a goal that is realistic, it will be difficult for you to accomplish it, because you cannot watch a movie and think you can get such thing in real life. There are some things they act for art's sake. So if you want something, let it be a realistic goal that you are setting for yourself. Without that, you cannot have what you want. And you must be able to know what to give to get what you want. If you want love, you must be able to give us that same amount of love that you want before you can receive what you want. So the other one is importance of making choices. Most people don't know the importance of making choices. That is why they just choose randomly without thinking about it. If you want a better life, you have to sit down to plan it. If you want a better relationship, you also have to sit down to plan it. All your choice today has been what has accumulated together to be your future, has been what you have been reaping. So if you want a good relationship, take your time to plan it and make good choices, make good decisions on your relationship issues. If you can do that, it will be easy for you to understand yourself and understand your partner, because you are the one that have chosen your partner for yourself. So in other words, if you want a good relationship, you have to sit back to plan how to make good choices, because it is your choice. Whatsoever you choose today will be your future. You are going to live with it, learn from it, and enjoy it. So there is no need to rush into a relationship. First of all, ask yourself what you want, because all your decisions today will be your future tomorrow. So thank you very much for this episode. I really appreciate you guys. Really appreciate you. I really love you guys. If you have not subscribed to my channel, just press the subscribe button and press the notification bell, so that once we drop a new video, you'll be the first persons to enjoy them. And also don't forget to comment on the comment sections. Thank you very much. Till next week. Thank you guys.